Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Uh, GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-60 point higher opening. So that is really something very good. Yesterday in the Dalal Street Week Ahead program, I stated very clearly that this Iran-Israel war may not be having a big impact in our market. In fact, that was already evident in Friday's price action. Nifty gapped down 400 point, but then almost 200 point recovered on the same day itself. Two important things on Friday. Number one, significant recovery from the day's low. So why? Because this Iran-Israel war is not the first time news, it is a second time news. Last year, May, already there was one time Iran-Israel war came. As I always say, first time it is a shock, second time is just a news. Of course, there will be some knee-jerk reaction was there. That was one thing. Second thing, that in the last 1 month, 24,500 was broken few times. Every time 24,500 was broken, the rally came immediately, the buying came immediately, the aggressive buying. Another important thing, FII selling was just about 1,000 plus crores, and FIIs can sell 1,000 plus crore in a normal market. So if it is a panic, they should have sold about 8,000, 10,000 crores. So the fact that they have sold only a very small quantity, about 1,000 plus crore, so that shows that, the panic because of this Iran-Israel war is definitely not there. And in fact, on Friday, US markets has almost recovered almost the entire loss because of the war. And then towards the end of the day, there was some news that Iran has retaliated with hundreds of missiles. So when that news came, then, again, some kind of a panic, and the markets fell. But right now, the US futures is also trading in positive territory. So even Asian markets are in green. So therefore, as I told you yesterday, things are not going to be normal. Looking at the open interest, so because the market has fallen significantly, 25,000 call is having the highest open interest. So therefore, for the short term, 25,000 may be a resistance, but otherwise, until the end of expiry, as I've been saying, 24,500 to 25,200 may be the range. So there is no change in that view. Bank Nifty has been underperforming because of RBI policy. The Bank Nifty has shot up nearly 1,000 point, and then Bank Nifty has actually broken out of the range. If you can remember, in 4-5 trading sessions, Bank Nifty shot up from 49,000 to 56,000. Then after that, for more than a month, it was just consolidating between 54,000 and 56,000. So then came RBI policy, Bank Nifty broke out, but then that entire rally was wiped out because of this profit booking, and other things. So all is well now. Markets are still bullish, so there is no doubt about it. As I always say, trend is your friend until it bends. So keep as and when market coming to closer to 24,500, it makes sense to sell put options, and as and when Nifty crosses 25,000, it makes sense to sell call options. So that is a strategy right now. So otherwise, there is nothing much to add. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.